How to protect your home network using the OpenDNS family shield from Cisco. So this will basically help your home and router from malicious websites or other sites and a lot of malware websites which is already flagged that will be blocked automatically by the DNS. To set up, it's very simple and there is no cost involved for setting this up. What you have to do is like if you go to the Cisco sites home shield, you will get two DNS server. So these are the DNS server which is automatically updated and frequently for blocking malicious sites and all. So just note down the sites and next you have to go to your router here. So just log into your router. So now I am inside my router page and next I had to go to network settings, home networking. So inside the home networking, I can see an option called DNS value. So you can set a DNS value static here. You have to select this as static and take this IP address. I had already mentioned these IP address in my description video. So you can use that same. So now what I did, just set up this router and just apply. So now the setting is applied. Until you reboot your device, it will not apply the settings. So what you have to go to the router and just click restart. So once your router is restarted, the settings is going to apply to your entire router. So whoever connecting to your home Wi-Fi, so this policies will be applicable, like it will block all the adult contents and scam websites or malicious sites. It will be automatically blocked. So this service is free and you can make use of it. So thank you for your time watching my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe so that I can create more contents for you. Thank you.